A seismic event of rare intensity rocked the Pacific on July 30th, 2025. An 8.8 magnitude megathrust earthquake struck near Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, making it one of the 6 strongest quakes ever recorded. The tremor unleashed tsunami waves that reached across the ocean to Hawaii, Japan, and even the US West Coast. Nations across the Pacific issued urgent warnings and ordered coastal evacuations well into the night. At 8:24 a.m. local time, the quake jolted communities near Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, a city of about 165,000. Shaking was categorized as level 8 on the Mercalli scale, with buildings damaged and a handful of injuries reported. The quake's relatively shallow depth of about 12 to 19 kilometers amplified its destructive potential. Seismologists estimate a 300-mile fault slip, which triggered a massive tsunami. Just one day earlier, a 7.4 magnitude foreshock had rattled the same area, raising questions about whether earthquakes of such scale can be anticipated. In the Kuril and Kamchatka region, tsunami waves reached up to 13 feet, flooding port areas and prompting evacuations. Some 2,000 residents were moved to higher ground in Severokurilsk. In Japan, nearly 2 million people were advised to evacuate. The northern coastline saw waves up to 4.3 feet in places like Hokkaido. Hawaii recorded waves up to 4.9 to 5.7 feet, triggering evacuations and boat advisories. Honolulu traffic clogged as residents scrambled to safety. Warnings stretched from Japan to New Zealand, including California, Alaska, Chile, Ecuador, and the Solomon Islands, with alerts ranging from watches to full tsunamis warnings. While most waves posed limited damage, officials emphasized that tsunamis often come in multiple waves over hours, urging prolonged vigilance. This earthquake is the strongest in Kamchatka since the 1952 Severokurilsk 9.0 quake, which produced tsunami waves up to 18 meters but caused few deaths due to low coastal population density. Even earlier, a 9.0 plus quake in 1841 generated a 15-meter surge on the peninsula. More recent events include the 2006 Kuril Islands quake that unleashed tsunamis topping 21.9 meters locally, yet caused only minor injuries in Japan. The devastating 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan, at 9.1 magnitude, generated a tsunami that killed over 18,000 people and triggered nuclear meltdowns. By comparison, the current Kamchatka quake caused few injuries and no confirmed deaths, though full assessments are ongoing. Authorities warned of aftershocks up to magnitude 7.5 in the coming days, raising further risks for naval and coastal infrastructure. Global seismic scientists are now analyzing data to see if patterns, like the foreshock sequence, could improve future early warning systems for megathrust events. The 8.8 magnitude Kamchatka quake has shaved modern earthquake records and sent a stark reminder: tsunamis respect no borders. While widespread destruction was averted this time, the threat remains real for millions living by the Pacific. From Hawaii to Hokkaido, communities face the daunting challenge of preparing for nature's most unpredictable forces. This event also underscores the critical need for resilient systems, early warning models, and public awareness, so when the next one comes, humanity stands strongest, not shaken.